So guys, it has arrived. The order from Temu has actually arrived. Okay, so in this video we are going to be unboxing this together right now. So which one am I starting with? You can actually see this is from Temu. So if you have not watched my video about getting free orders from Temu, just watch the video below this particular one. I'm going to drop the link below the description of this video, so you just watch that and know how to apply. But I'm not going to be telling you how to apply in this video because I'm just going to be unboxing this with you. Where am I going? Okay, so we are just going to be unboxing this together. Okay, so as you can see, what you're seeing on the wall right now is one LED light that I just got from them. So this is also a LED light. We have the LED lights, and we also have an headset. This is for free, totally free. You're not actually paying for this. So some of you are actually making jest of that what you order for versus what you got. Actually, what I ordered for is what I'm actually getting, because this is it. Okay, so these are items gotten from Thermo, and I think I talked about the rechargeable fan. Okay, so this is the rechargeable fan I talked about. All right, so I'm just going to be showing you this. Okay, so let's see. Okay, so you can see, yeah, this is what it's. Okay, so you can see that what you're actually ordering is what you're getting. Okay, this is headset. Let me pack this here. So let's unbox the second one. Right, where am I going? Okay, let's. Okay, so we have a mic right here. So henceforth I might not be using this. Okay, so we have this. So let me just show you so you can see this actually worth more than 200k, but I'm actually getting it right now, so you can see. So it is worth it. All right, so this is just what you can do. Just use the link below the video and do the necessary things, and you're going to be getting your own gift. Okay, so I think I have something here. I have a clipper. So I have a clipper here. So how do we on this? Let me see. So we can just, okay, let's off. Okay, so, and this is a rechargeable clipper. You can also get this yourself by following and watching this video. So there are lots of items I actually got. This is another rechargeable fan. This is another one. I have two rechargeable fans. Wow, that's great. And this is the camera. This is the camera, but wow, this is not that big. This is not that big. Oh, this is the camera, not that big, but at least it's something to, you understand, something that you're getting for free. What else? I think I ordered for this a type C charger. It can actually go for uh I phones that has type C. So I'm still going to order more. So it's advisable you use the link below the description right now and watch the video and know what you need to do to get your own gift. These items you are actually seeing are totally free from Temu. Now free package. Now ask them now. Maybe na free package. This is actually what is going on Temu app right now. You just have to download the app and go around a free gift and just pick 3 to 4 items depending on what they have actually assigned to you. So once you are able to pick these, they will ask you to use your referral link and bring in about 16 or 10 people. I don't know, just bring in people. So once you are able to reach the particular threshold of number of referrals they want, they are going to be asking you for your address. Then they will be shipping all your items straight to your address. What you're seeing on the wall is actually what I got from Temu. So after getting all these items and you're interested in using their app, you just have to continue using it. There are lots of things that you can get for cheap prices on Temu. So this is just what you can start today and get your free gift yourself without any stress, because they are going to deliver all this to your doorsteps. So this is very simple. You can start now and get your orders for free. So start now, go and register. See you on my next video. Bye bye.